Hey friend, are you tired of pouring in so many hours, trying to learn everything on your own, and still not making enough for the exhaustion to feel worth it? I've been there too. And if you're here because you've been searching for how to make money with no skills online and you're feeling overwhelmed by all the noise out there, you're not alone. Something finally clicked for me. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing step by step. If we haven't met yet, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4, and I spent years working as a teacher. But chronic illness changed the course of my life. Suddenly I didn't have the energy to commute to work full time anymore. I needed to find a way to work from home on my own schedule and around my health. So like so many people do, I turned to the online space. I tried everything like Etsy shops, Amazon KDP, blogging, selling product, even freelance writing. And while I learned something from each thing I tried, nothing ever gave me the flexibility or peace that I needed. I was spending so much time trying to learn it all by myself, working late nights, researching for hours, and still not making enough for the exhaustion to feel worth it. That's when something had to change. I needed something simple, something sustainable, and something that didn't rely on me having perfect health or endless time. What finally changed everything for me was realizing this. I didn't need to start from scratch. I didn't have to invent a brand new product or magically have expert level skills overnight. I could plug into a system that was already working for thousands of people and learn the pieces one step at a time. That shift took away so much pressure. I didn't have to be the expert. I just needed to show up and follow the path. Let's talk about the thing that made it so simple for me: digital products. Digital products are perfect if you feel like you don't have any special skills because you don't have to create them yourself. With the right program, you can get full rights to sell pre-made digital products and courses and keep 100% of the profit. There's no shipping, no inventory, no packaging, no boxes to store in your garage, no customer service headaches. You can set it up once and it can sell over and over again while you live your life. You don't need to be techy, you don't need a background in business, and you don't have to figure it all out alone. That's when I finally felt like I could breathe. Now let me share the exact structure I'm using. It's based on 5 simple steps I learned in the Freedom Blueprint, and anyone can follow them. First, choose a digital product that's proven. Next, set up a simple system to sell it. Use organic content to attract people who are already looking for it. Build an email list so you can earn while you sleep. Automate the whole thing so it runs even when you're not working. What I love most about this is that I don't need to work 8 hours a day. I spend about 2 focused hours working on my digital business, and that's enough to make progress, even with chronic illness and life responsibilities. And before you think, okay, but what about the tech? I get it. That was a concern for me in the beginning too. But the tool I'm using is called System.io, and it is so beginner friendly. It's free to start, and I've linked it below. It handles everything from landing pages to emails to product delivery all in one place. You don't have to learn coding. You don't need expensive software. You just drag and drop, personalize the templates that are already done for you. The blueprint I'm using literally walks you through every step, one video at a time. And best of all, even if you've never done anything like this before, you can still make it work. Now here's what really flipped the switch for me. You don't have to sell or pressure people to buy from you. You use attraction marketing instead. Attraction marketing is simply showing up online and sharing what you're learning and what is working for you. People connect with your story. They relate to where you've been. And because you're helping them, not selling to them, they naturally want to learn more. You don't have to chase people or cold message strangers. You build trust by being helpful and real. And when you combine that with automation, that's when the magic happens. So if you're sitting here thinking, but I'm not so techy, or I've tried so many things already, or I don't feel ready, I want you to hear this. You're not too late. You're not stuck. You don't need to be perfect. You just need the right starting point and the willingness to take one simple step. If what I've shared today feels like the direction you're looking for, I'd love to help you get started. I created a free Freedom Formula blueprint that walks you through the same steps I'm using every day to build online income in a simple, clear way, especially if you're starting with no skills or big following. You can grab it through the link in the description below. And once you do, I'll walk with you step by step so you're not doing this alone. You're not too late, you're right on time, and your future self will thank you for starting today. I'll see you in this next video.